Good morning, good afternoon all. I'm here with Valerie Marais, who has kindly agreed to present a very new and interesting initiative called SpiceCRM Academy. Valerie, I'll let you give us a brief introduction to yourself and your background before I jump into the specific questions.
Thank you, Natalie. I'm Valerie Marais. I've been working as a CRM consultant for 10 years now. I've been participating in SpiceCRM development right from the beginning, and I can tell that the product is now ready to reach a larger market.
Fantastic, thank you for that. And Valerie, recently you have come up with SpiceCRM, the SpiceCRM concept. Could you explain a little bit more about what the concept is? What drove you to initially to develop this idea?
Well, the idea of the SpiceCRM Academy came from the amount of questions that newly acquired partners asked us when they started implementing SpiceCRM. The product has many features, it's highly customizable, and of course when you start implementing it, you need to know about some basics. So consider SpiceCRM like a kitchen with many ingredients and full equipment, and once you know about flavors and spices, once you know how to use the oven, then you can cook anything. So we want to train cooks and teach the basics so that they can create their own recipes.
Fantastic. So for this to happen, and seeing as you actually talked about the recipes, what is in your view the recipe for success to obtain the above?
Our aim is to stimulate and enhance collaboration and continue building on the SpiceCRM community. So we are building a full training program, so that's what we call the SpiceCRM Academy. We are rolling out a knowledge base to further educate. We are planning webinars on specific implementation challenges, as we have in SpiceCRM. We also are preparing a partner community chat, so that people can collaborate and share information. We are organizing developer boot camps at our headquarters in Vienna and maybe in the future at our partners' headquarters. And we are creating video tutorials for e-learning so that you can look at a video and learn new steps whenever you want.
Thanks, Valerie. So what is the aim of these videos, and who is the ideal public for these kind of videos?
Anyone who wants to present, implement or customize SpiceCRM. So this covers consultants who design solutions with their customers according to the nature of their business. This covers developers who implement and customize SpiceCRM functionalities to match requirements coming from the consultant probably and from the customers. But however, it's not necessary to be a developer to start customizing SpiceCRM, and that's where we start with the SpiceCRM Academy. We provide step-by-step video tutorials so that anyone can manage the basic configuration. And we also plan to create videos to support reporting, for whoever needs to create reports in the CRM. And that's more to come in the future, so stay tuned on that.
Brilliant. So the discover, learn, design and contribute. So these are the 4 things that you had in mind when you designed the SpiceCRM Academy. What was the initial feedback when existing SpiceCRM partners saw the first videos? Can you relate that?
Well, they were very excited and very enthusiastic about the initiative. And without hesitation, they offered to provide us with input for further support for them, and also to help us improve the support that we provide them so that we can be present with them and accompany them during their first steps with SpiceCRM implementations. And we already had the experience that they told us, stories from their experience, their wins, that told us how they could design solutions that we want to share with other partners around the world.
Valerie, thank you very much for your time and for this great initiative aimed at educating and supporting partners and the SpiceCRM viewers. Finally, how do you plan to release these videos? I'm assuming that these will be in chronological order, and the videos are stored in a specific place for partners to have an easy access to. Am I correct in saying so?
We will conduct promotional campaigns for each training session. This will include sending an email for each video once a week to all our partners. The videos will be available on the platform that we use, which is, by the way, is a SpiceCRM instance that we call it's the knowledge base, where all the documentation is stored, all the videos and all the training program itself. And the videos follow a structure which makes it possible, you learn first the basics and then gradually move up to more complex levels.
Fantastic. So thank you, Valerie, for both showing us what the SpiceCRM Academy is all about, and for this fantastic guide to all partners and users of SpiceCRM. We're definitely looking forward to watching the videos in the coming months. We appreciate the time you've spent putting together the material aimed at supporting our partner network and learning and getting them to learn along with the journey with us. So I guess we can actually close this interview with spicing it up with SpiceCRM Academy. Thanks again, Valerie, for your time.
Thank you.